Need to cancel subscription of Tinder? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily cancel the subscription of Tinder. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to your Apple account at the very top of the screen. Once you're in this page, you need to move into subscriptions. Wait for a while for it to load. So once you're in this page, you should see all the applications that you have bought the subscription of. Right now, none of the application is available to me. It's because I haven't bought any of it. So for you, if you have bought the subscription of Tinder app, then the application will be available right over here. In order for you to cancel it, click on it. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the option of cancel subscription. Click on it and then tap on confirm. State the reason why you want to cancel and then once again click on confirm. Once done, the subscription will be cancelled and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can cancel Tinder subscriptions. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.